Poolside Dreamer here, May 16th. I think it's time to harvest the potatoes in this spot, so I'll dump it and see where we go from there. There it is, all dumped out. See if we have anything in here. Not too promising so far. Let me finish going through this and I'll be back with you. Well, that was a total waste of time, energy, money, and water. Maybe if I get a close-up, they'll look like it's a bigger harvest. You think? Yeah, it still looks small. Anyway, I've got some more to dig up, dump, whatever. This potato patch here looks like it's about ready to dig. There's still some green on here, so I'll give it a few more days. I got some potato plants over on this side that are starting to look pretty poor. Get this down here. Another one here. And I got some more potato plants over here that aren't quite ready to dump yet. So we'll see where we go. And I've got another potato plant here. Temperatures are getting up into the low 100s, so these potato plants won't survive long. And the brighter note, the grape plants seem to be doing okay. Another one over here. The mint plants, so-so. My strawberry plants over here seem to be doing okay. Still getting a few strawberries from time to time, so that's not bad. I got cucumber off this plant. Already pulled one earlier this month. And I've got cucumber on this plant. And there it is. It fell off. That fell off. I guess it was ready to harvest. So, not very big, but it'll do nicely. These grape plants are doing fine. If anybody knows why these leaves are curling, I'd appreciate a comment. I've tried watering them less often. Tried watering them more often. That doesn't seem to be the issue. I don't see any bugs on them. So I don't know what the issue is. Sweet potato plants over here that are doing okay. Right there, another one right there. Yeah, some of them died back, but these seem to be doing okay. Potato patch right over here probably needs to be dug up too. Just out of curiosity, I'm going to pull this one and see what we have. Oh, that's a little better. It's less than I was hoping for, but it's better than anything else I've gotten out of this bed, potato-wise. So, no complaints there. Let's dig down and see if we can find a few more. Well, there's one. A couple more. Another one. Thought I was watering these enough, but apparently I'm not, because the ground is dry under here. There's another one. Well, that's all I'm going to do now, because my knees won't handle bending over anymore. So, it's so-so. Go ahead and clean these up and let them dry. Decided to pull up the plant next to it and see what I get.
A lot of little ones. I guess in quantity wise, there again, it's not too bad.
Still not of a good size to speak of, but quantity wise, that's a lot better. That's the harvest off the second potato I just dug. That's a heck of a lot better than the first potato I dug and what was in the pot. So I'll take one more that's dead and we'll go from there.
Here's the last one in this batch. It's all died out. Got one little one there that's bad. Well, let me dig these out, see what I have.
Well, not as many, but definitely bigger size.
So, no complaints there. I unintentionally dug into the plant next to it, so that's harvest from that plant.
So all in all, I've got enough potatoes for now, so I'm just going to leave the others in the ground for the time being. I'll probably dig those up sometime next week, but for now, that's about it, folks. Y'all take care. Like, subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching. Bye. Well, that's my total harvest from one 2-foot by 4-foot section. Not great, but considering it was from potatoes that were too shriveled to eat and they all had chits on them, so not too bad. Anyway, catch y'all later. Bye.